I'm Arif Vakil, Master Trainer and Coach of the Getting Things Done methodology. At our workshops, participants often ask us, Arif, please help me deal with my filing. Please help me deal with the papers in my life. I've got piles of stuff lying around at my workplace, at home. I need a sense of space, I need a sense of room, and I just don't have that. So we decided to record this short video to help show you how I would process incoming paper in my life and how I would action upon it. This is the final draft of a lease deed that we've been working on for the last few days, and I need to study and sign it. This is not something that I can process within the next 2 minutes. So I'm going to ask myself, Arif, is this actionable? Yes, it's actionable. Well, to move forward on this, what's my next action? Well, I need to study and sign it. Okay, so I'm going to go to my computer. I'm going to open a task and I'll write study and sign so and so lease deed. And once I do that, I save it in my task system as a reminder, which I will look into right after I'm done processing my entry. So till I look into it, where does this go? Now, if I didn't have a system in place, I would probably put it back into my entry, or I would leave it on my desk and begin working on something else. And pretty soon I'd have stacks of paper lying all around me. But I have a system in place. So once I've put a task for myself, this will not go back to my entry, this will not go on my desk. This will go into a folder called my action support folder. So for everything that I've created an action for, the support documents for that go into my action support folder. That way it's out of my entry, and entry is only for new items coming in that I have not yet processed. I've got one final item over here, and this is draft of another lease deed that we worked upon. Is this actionable? No further action on this. Well, do I want to trash it? Not really. I want to keep it. So where do I keep it? Once again, if I didn't have a filing system, it would be on my desk or somewhere else, but I do have a filing system in place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a file for this, and how I do it is I first decide what name do I create it under. Well, we're signing this with Mr. A. Narayanan. Let me create a file with the name Mr. A. Narayanan. My trusted brother P. Touch labeler A. Narayan, N-A-R-A-Y-A-N-A-N, and I'm going to hit print. While this is printing, you can see that this is the brother P. Touch labeler, and this is the model that comes with the keyboard. So I don't have to worry about installing the software for it in my computer, and it works independently. Now that I've printed the label, I always keep a stack of empty folders at hand with me. So I'm going to open this stack of empty folders, my drawer with the stack of empty folders. I'm going to peel off the label. It works very well. I just need to fold it in the middle and the peels come up. I'm going to leave that here for now. I'm going to put in this label, Mr. A. Narayanan, pop that in here. Go to my folder A to D. I've got AM here, and A and A will come here. It's filed. How slick was that? So there you go. I filed it in perhaps 30 seconds or less, in such a way that I can retrieve it even after 10 years within 30 seconds or less. So that's the type of filing system we advocate in GTD. That is fast, fun, easy to use, easy to file, and easy to retrieve. The tools that I use. So you saw my brother P. Touch labeler. The filing cabinet I use is the MERCURY filing cabinet. The file folders I use are the SURYA filing pocket. Now, I've been using this for the last 15 years. There are probably better things out in the market there. If you don't have the space for an elaborate filing system like mine, you can have a look at this image. A GTD practitioner sent this to me. A shout out to Rajiv Upadhyay, who's that GTD practitioner. He uses JK copier boxes. These are just regular photocopy paper boxes, regular files that you find in any stationery store, and bookenders so that they stack up. well against each other. So you can use that as well. Well, that's about it we have for this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.